viewers to Startup News. I am Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: SEBI RBI taxmen get access to KYC data under crypto bill. Startup India to spend Rs 945 crores seed fund for startups. Starlink terminal broadband to cost Rs 1.58 lakh per terminal in year 1. Now the news in detail are: the new crypto bill is set to empower regulators and government agencies, including the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the Reserve Bank of India, and the Tax Department to scrutinize KYC data collected from investors by crypto exchanges. As a part of the Startup India Seed Fund scheme, 34 incubators will receive a grant of Rs 135 crores. A corpus of Rs 945 crores will be spent in the next 4 years to provide seed funding to startups under this scheme. Elon Musk led Starlink to cost Rs 1.58 lakh per user terminal in the first year and around Rs 1.15 lakh from the second year. The company's India head Sanjay Bhargava stated that Starlink service would apply for a commercial license before the end of January 2022. Indian software as a service companies are poised to reach $30 billion in revenue by capturing an 8% to 9% share of the global SaaS market by 2025. According to the report, investment in the space has increased by 170% over 2020 and is expected to reach $4.5 billion in 2021. As MapMy India is set to go public on December 9th, chip-making giant Qualcomm is likely to witness nearly 20x returns against its digital mapping startup investment. MapMy India aims to raise about Rs 1,040 crores through the IPO. Blockchain technology and Web 3.0 innovations will propel the digital asset economy's value from $5 billion in 2021 to $262 billion over 11 years, resulting in a $1.1 trillion contribution to India's GDP. Talent platform Sense has raised $50 million in a Series D funding round led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2. The company will deploy the Fresh Fund to ramp up its go-to-market strategy. It also plans to expand its footprint in regions like Western Europe. Pocket FM, an audio-based OTT platform, has raised $22.4 million as a part of its Series B funding round led by Lightspeed. The round also saw participation from Times Group and Tanglin Venture Partners. Moj and Roposo are a homegrown social media platform to join the rush towards the live online shopping industry, including YouTube, Flipkart, and Myntra. Moj tied up with Flipkart to kick off live and video shopping by targeting a gross merchandise value of $1 billion in the next 3 years. Mumbai-based B2B packaging and textile marketplace Bizongo is set to raise $109 million in a Series D funding round led by Tiger Global. With this investment, Tiger Global has become the second largest shareholder in the startup with an 8.15% stake on the fully diluted basis. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.